Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to hide Dropbox camera upload notification content from showing on your phone's lock screen. This updated method works great if you want a cleaner, more private notification experience whenever Dropbox automatically uploads your photos in the background. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app controls live, including how they manage notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on apps. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find and select Dropbox. This will open the app's detailed settings page. Inside the Dropbox settings, tap on notifications. This is where you can fine-tune how Dropbox alerts you when it's doing things like syncing files or uploading photos. Now, tap on notification categories. This section breaks down different types of alerts Dropbox can send, giving you more control over which ones appear on your screen. Look for camera uploads and tap on it. This specific category handles all camera upload notifications, so this is the one we want to adjust. Inside this section, tap on lock screen. You'll see a few options appear. Choose hide content. This setting ensures you'll still get Dropbox notifications for camera uploads, but the actual content like file names or photo details won't be visible when your phone is locked. Instead, you'll see a generic notification without revealing personal information. Once that's done, you can exit the settings. You've now successfully hidden your Dropbox camera upload content from appearing on the lock screen. It's a small tweak, but it makes a big difference, especially if privacy matters to you and you prefer keeping your uploads discreet. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick updates and privacy tips just like this one. Thanks for watching.